Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making oven grilled fish and plantain, so keep watching to see how easy it is to make. First I'm going to blend my peppers, onion, garlic and fresh parsley. Next I will fry the peppers by adding small amount of vegetable oil in a pan and allow it to heat up. I will proceed by adding the blended peppers. I'm going to season with seasoning cubes and salt to taste. I will stir to combine and allow it to fry. Once that is done, I will set aside and allow it to cool a bit. For the fish, I'm using catfish. You can use any fish of your choice. I've already cleaned, pat it dry and made some incisions so that the pepper mix will go inside. Next, I will transfer in my baking tray lined with foil. I'll proceed by spreading the pepper mix all over the fish. Once that is done, I'll add the remaining pepper sauce in my plantain and bake together. I will cover the foil and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. I check on it on the first 25 minutes, open up the foil and transfer it back in the oven and allow it to bake for another 15 minutes or until it is done. And 15 minutes later we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.